I'm giving away this N8N workflow that you're going to be able to sell for $1,000 on repeat. Not maybe if I can find the right client. I mean the same workflow sold over and over to e-commerce brands who will thank you for taking their money. It uses Nano Banana Pro to produce Manhattan agency standard images like this, and Sora 2 for ridiculously powerful product video creative like this on demand. But first, let me show you why this sells itself. It's no secret, e-commerce brands are drowned in. Every product launch needs lifestyle shots, ad creatives, video content, email assets, and they're either paying agencies $300 plus per asset, or they're burning their own hours in Canva trying to make things match. Most of them have tried all the AI tools, Midjourney, DALL-E, Runway, and they've learned the hard way. AI without structure just creates more work. What they're desperate for is a creative machine, something that can take a product photo and spit out consistent, branded, ad-ready assets on demand. That's exactly what this workflow does. Firstly, let me show you exactly how this works and why clients pay $1,000 for this without even blinking, if not more. This is the flow. It looks a little bit overwhelming. There's just a lot of HTTP requests going to Fal in order to pull Sora 2 and Nano Banana. There isn't a lot to this. If you're a beginner, there is step-by-step guides of what you have to do in every single section. So don't be afraid. It's all going to be in the description below in terms of the download. But firstly, I'm going to show you the form. Now, this is what the client will see. This is everything that they need. Product image, company logo, product name, target persona, product description, brand constraints, other info about the product, so any colors, preferences, whatever. Whether you want images, videos, or both, you can have them all together. The content pieces needed. When you select the content pieces, it will create 2 of each. So if you select 2, it will create 2 videos and 2 images, for example. Format, select the format that you want the creative in. Image quality, 1K, 2K, 4K. Sora can be very expensive at 4K, just keep that in mind. But it does give obviously the best output. And I pre-built 2 style presets, Studio 360 Spin and Environment Showcase. I did both of those things. So let me just go and submit this form quickly. So I simply used AI and had the images ready previous to this. All you have to do is create a folder in Google Drive, right? And with the correct credentials, as you can see in here, Drive, my Drive account 2, my Drive, Nano Banana and Sora 2. And then it will upload the product, it will upload the logo, get my API key, because I use that as a variable later on for simplicity of deployment as you deploy it for clients. All you have to do is sign up for Fal, go over to Manage API Keys, hit Add a Key here. You'll be able to get your API key and we'll be off to the races. Now, I selected Studio 360 Spin, I selected 2, and I selected image quality of 1K because of the speed that it takes for it to do this. You can already see it's delivered the individual images that have been generated. So let me go and grab them. So here you can see an example of an image that it created, ridiculously high quality. This is a made-up logo. Like, what brand would not be happy with that? That is just stupendously high quality. Jumping back into the individual flow now, what you're witnessing is the checking of response for the video. Because even though we've selected a lower quality video, it still takes time, obviously, to produce. And the video quality is not going to be of the highest output because I didn't select 4K, because obviously I wanted to get through this. But there's a couple of things that I wanted to mention to you that are going to help you. You can sell this exactly as it is. There is no doubt about that. However, a few things. Inside of like this, the first node in this section, I literally say this here. In the first node of this section, you can go to body JSON and change the parameters if needed. Resolution 720p, 1080p, duration 4, 8, and 12. These are the only parameters accepted by the model API. Don't change them to anything else, but you can set them to individual factors inside of here, hard code them into the HTTP request. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you, because all this is doing now is waiting for the API request to finish. It's literally waiting for the video to be generated inside of Fal. The only other thing I wanted to show you was, I have 2 style presets, but this switch node, you could connect as many switches as you wanted. So all you would have to do is literally hit Shift on your keyboard, grab all of this, copy it, paste it, like that, connect it to the switch node, update the prompts in these sections to be whatever type of imagery that you wanted, okay? And the same with the video. And then from there, you would then have another option. You can edit the form. They've got another option for a different style type and a different type of creative. The final disclaimer I want to give you is just to let you know that you cannot upload images. Sora 2 will not allow you to generate images from images that have realistic people inside of it already, for obvious reasons, which is a scary thing about AI, to be honest with you, AI image generation. So I'll come back once this video is complete. As you can see inside of here, 2 videos, 2 images. This is the second image that it created and went through and displayed. This is the first video. And then this is the second video, which actually had audio on it.
The Rouge signature bag. Crafted from supple Italian leather, finished with warm silver hardware, and lined in plush microfiber.
Now, I'll show you the flow one final time. All it did at the end, as it re-ran through, it took a few times. You can maybe increase the wait times on the videos to stop it firing that many times, but it doesn't make any difference. Get downloadable links, literally download and upload to Drive, and job's done. You are in a position here where you are being given a free flow that you can sell for $1,000 at will, at scale, literally to as many people as you want. In the description is a link to the Gumroad where you can download this flow. All of the instructions are inside of the flow. There is also a guide for the 72-hour AI blueprint and sprint that to get in front of your first client within 72 hours that I've produced. Go and check that out. But yeah, go and get your money, because this is something people will pay you for.